everyone, my name is Simran Seth and I am the founder of SS Bakes. I have done my BSc Honours of Food Nutrition and Dietetics from SVT and I am currently pursuing my MSc in Specialized Dietetics from SVT itself. I would start by thanking Sir Vithaldas Thakurse College of Home Science for giving me the opportunity and platform to talk about my entrepreneurial journey, my home bakery, SS Bakes. So it was March 2020 and I was in the last month of my BSc when we got hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. As you know, the whole world stood still and for the first time in our life, everyone was under lockdown. Since this was a completely new challenge, our college did give us a few days off as they were in the midst of transitioning from the offline mode to the online mode of taking classes and assignments. This did leave us with a lot of free time at hand. During this time, I sensed that though the world was connected virtually, people did miss being together with their loved ones, especially when it came to celebrating milestones like birthdays, anniversaries, getting a promotion or a new job. Though everyone did have virtual online celebrations, people did miss a very important component of having any kind of celebration, be it virtual or offline. That is, the presence of some kind of dessert, especially a cake, something that they can devour upon to mark the occasion. Unfortunately, getting something like a cake was not possible during a pandemic as everything apart from emergency and essential services was shut down. I have always loved to bake as a child. It's a fusion between the two things I love the most, science and art. But due to my demanding studies, baking took a backseat. The pandemic gave me time to start baking again. And soon I was giving cake to my family and friends as a way to add that missing cake to the virtual celebrations. Making the celebratory cake brought joy both to me as well as to the person at the receiving end. Just like everyone likes to showcase and share their work on social media, I was also posting pictures of my baked goods on Instagram just for the fun of it. One day, one of my friends came across my baking page on Instagram and sent me a message. Hey, I really love the cupcakes that you posted. Can I place an order for a dozen of them? That message caught me by surprise. I was in an awe. Is this real? Does someone really want to buy a baked good from me? This was my very first order. And honestly, when I look back, there has been no turning back after that. Very soon, I designed my menu, I came up with a logo and a brand name. My parents helped me with the initial investment and in the initial procurement of the supplies, making sure that the quality was not compromised upon. Slowly and steadily, by word of mouth, people came to know about SS Bakes and orders started to roll in. I was really overwhelmed at first. But with the support from my family and friends, I was able to keep going and keep doing what I love the most, that is baking. Thanks to the subject of entrepreneurship in my BSc, the biggest thing that I had learned was to never compromise on quality, especially when it came to food. Initially, it was a hurdle to find suppliers who, in the midst of a pandemic, who would help me fulfill my demands of getting the finest and the freshest ingredients possible like chocolates, cream, cocoa powder, etc. I did pay a hefty price to get the finest and the freshest type of ingredients, but I do believe that this is what has become my USP and people started believing in me and started ordering from my brand. I was also nominated in 2020 as one of the top 100 home bakers in India by the home bakers community. I am proud and happy to announce that SS Bakes finished 1 year on 15th August 2021. When I look back, I fail to digest and believe that I am the founder of a home bakery. Of course, I did have my set of challenges. Sometimes recipes did fail and I had to start my baking from scratch. I had to do a lot of R&D at my end. And at the same time, I had to juggle my business along with my studies. One of the biggest hurdles that I have had is since cakes are a very delicate item, it is very difficult to offer delivery for them. But my customers have been very kind and understanding and are willing to come from any part of Mumbai just in order to get that cake. There is still a learning curve, and I do keep on updating my skills by taking seminars and online classes from well-known bakers in India. And I am also in the search for finding sustainable packaging materials for my products. I have come to understand that cake is not just a sweet dessert. People relate it to one of the sweetest moments in their life and put a lot of emotions behind ordering one, especially when it comes to custom cakes. I am happy that I am able to be a part of these celebrations and make SS Bakes a tool towards adding sweetness to these occasions and celebrations. For the future of SS Bakes, I want to merge my knowledge of nutrition and my love for baking and add more variety to my healthy baked goods menu. I want to build a brand that lets people eat dessert without feeling guilty and at the same time having the assurance of freshness and quality. I would like to conclude by sharing a few tips for my budding entrepreneurs. I strongly recommend that you attend sessions, seminars, and workshops conducted by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. This will really help you to start your own business. Our college SVT does organize these wonderful sessions for you, and there's always a thing or two to learn from everybody. Don't let challenges put you down. I have realized that they are the true learning opportunities. When you take small steps, you do reach your goal faster as compared to taking big leaps. Lastly, do believe in yourself and in your venture. Whatever you manifest, the universe will help you achieve it. All the best to everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.